Here at the Singapore Maritime Week, digital transformation in maritime is a key topic. Many fleet operators still rely on outdated processes, leading to compliance risks, inefficiencies, and costly downtime. That's why I'm excited to speak with Fabian Fussek, CEO and co-founder of Kaiko Systems, an AI-powered platform helping shipping companies automate safety inspections, optimize maintenance, and uncover risks in real time. Fabian, thanks for taking a moment to speak with me today.
Thank you very much, Joachim. I'm excited to talk to you today.
Kaiko Systems has positioned itself as a leader in AI-driven maritime operations. What problem are you solving, and why does it matter now more than ever?
Yeah, that's a great question. What we're doing with Kaiko Systems is we're supporting shipping companies to build a standardized data set at scale that allows them to become proactive instead of just being reactive when it comes to incidents, problems with their fleet, and surprises when it comes to big audits like port state controls, SIRE 2.0, right ship inspections, and many more.
Many fleet operators still rely on manual processes. What makes Kaiko System different, and how does AI truly change the game?
Absolutely. Even in today's time, many shipping companies still rely on manual processes, both on board of the vessel, but also in the office. So what we're doing with Kaiko Systems is we're providing both of these groups, the seafarers, but also the technical superintendents and the marine superintendents ashore, with tools that make it easier for them to do a better job every day. When it comes to the seafarers, we provide them with mobile-first solutions that allow them to collect data in a structured and standardized way on the job and eliminate tedious paperwork. For the technical management teams ashore, we help them make decisions faster based on the standardized data that is collected on board of the vessel and employ AI to automatically assess where they need to focus their attention to. And by that, we're aligning incentives between ship and shore and helping both of these groups collaborate better and work as equals.
You recently secured a 6 million A-series funding round. Congratulations. What does this mean for your customers, the industry, and for your company?
Thank you for your congratulations. We're super excited to bring on board experienced investors and the willingness to innovate an industry that has been lacking in terms of digitization and innovation for a long time, and that now finally is willing to take that next step and really improve their operations. What that means for our customers is that they will get even better products, even more AI and advanced technology interwoven into everything we do. And of course, the usual customer support and the close connection with Kaiko Systems that they're already used to.
Will regulations and compliance eventually require digital-first solutions?
Yeah, actually already today, a lot of regulations are encouraging digital solutions and are rewarding companies that are improving their preparation and improving their management solutions. And in the next 5 years, this will only become even more central to everything that the industry is doing. Not just on board of the ships, but also in the office. And as I said, in terms of the collaboration between ship and shore, this will become a crucial aspect of the industry.
What's one misconception about AI maritime that you would like to correct?
Yes, absolutely. There's a lot of uncertainty around using AI and a lot of fear also from people that jobs will get replaced and that people will get replaced with AI. And what we have been seeing actually is that the people on board of the vessels are absolutely essential to the operations of ships today. And so we believe that in the future, these people that are responsible for what's actually going on board of the ships, day in, day out, they will require better tools to keep up with growing demands of regulations. So what AI can do is further improve the way that they are able to handle these increasing expectations. And so they will be augmented by AI and smart technology in the future and be able to do their work even better and even more streamlined while being compliant with all these increasing regulations.
Fabian, what is the biggest challenge or problem your customers face in the maritime industry today?
Yes, there's many problems, of course, as you can imagine. And we work with shipping companies, large and small, all across the world, in Europe and in Asia, and basically everywhere on the globe. But the key points, the key problems that we see again and again is compliance with things like port state control and audits like SIRE 2.0 and right ship. And so what we do is we help shipping companies prepare more effectively so that they experience less surprises when it comes to these inspections.
As someone driving innovation in a legacy industry, what advice would you give to companies hesitant to adopt AI-driven solutions?
Absolutely. So we see a lot of hesitance and uncertainty again when it comes to using and trying out new technologies. And what we always recommend is to start small, but start fast and learn as you go. When you want to work with a company that maybe is not as established or not as experienced, I mean, now with Kaiko, we have been almost 5 years in the market. We've been working with large shipping companies like OSM Thoma and Columbia Ship Management, and we've learned a lot. And what benefited us from the beginning is that there were always people that were really willing to work with us, share their biggest problems and concerns, and give us the chance to develop a solution and bring something to market that actually helps them. And I would only recommend to everybody who's trying out new things in this industry to give it a shot and do it in an environment that allows for fast learning and then implementing these learnings and continuing from there. Because in the future, when one of these solutions actually works out and solves a problem, it can do that at much bigger scale and can therefore transform operations fundamentally. But you got to start, and you got to start today.
Clearly, AI is not just the future, it's the present. Fabian, thanks for sharing your insights. Where can people learn more about Kaiko Systems?
So the best way to learn about Kaiko is to go to our website and read about all the solutions and products that we're offering. And of course, if you're willing to not just look at it from the sidelines, but be a part of it, apply. We have many open positions and we're growing fast in Berlin, London, and Singapore. So we're very excited to get to know you.
Fabian, thanks a lot for taking some time. Thanks for this interview.
Thank you very much for your time.